my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am gonna be reviewing these L'Oreal Paris Rouge signature lipsticks. There were already 6 shades in this collection and they have extended the collection and bring out 6 more sunset shades which are perfectly made for Indian skin tones. There are colors for every mood. There are nudes, there are pinks, plums and reds, and the color which I'm wearing right now is I Play, which I love the most out of this entire collection. The best part about these lip colors are the staying power is really long, and coming to the consistency guys, it feels like water on the skin. It's that light, you do not even feel like you have applied something. Also you can build the coverage up if you feel like. I am gonna be swatching all of these for you guys right now. After that, at the end of the video I am gonna be telling you pros and cons, so please stay tuned for that. My favorite shade is I Play. In the comments down below, do let me know which was your favorite shade. So I am gonna show you the swatches right now.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Also guys, if you go to the store and buy any of these 2 lip colors, you are gonna get a clutch free. So guys, coming to the pros and cons, the first pro is that there is availability of numerous shades for Indian skin tones which really suits you, so you can pick anything you want. The second one is gonna be the price range. It costs 7 gram of product for 650 rupees, which is great. The third pro is gonna be the staying power is really great. It stays up to 4 to 5 hours on your lips. The fourth one is gonna be the consistency guys. It feels nothing on the lips. Like right now I'm wearing it, doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel like you have even applied something. So it's super lightweight, which I have used several liquid lipsticks in the past, but they do have a texture and it feels like that you have applied something, but this is like water on the skin. So yeah. Now coming to the cons guys, I cannot particularly think about any con, but yeah, it leaves a little bit of stain on your lips, so it is going to stay on your lips for a while. Even if you use the best makeup remover, the strongest one, you use the Vaseline or the coconut oil, it doesn't go off. So that is the only con. So 4 pros and 1 con. I guess you must definitely pick them for yourself. This is it for this video guys. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and I am gonna give the product link in the description box below in case you guys want to check them out. And in the comments down below, do let me know which one was your favorite shade. Also follow me on my social media, links are given in the description box below, and make sure that you hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. And I will see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.